Video.
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
So, this hive was a split off of 3, and the original queen went with this split. So they had a good laying queen. They haven't done anything to that frame. This one they've been working on drilling.
The other side looks good too.
Oh, the other side looks better, and it's full of larvae.
It's picking up some.
If you go, it goes real big right in here.
Yeah.
So that frame honestly tells me everything I need to know. With the exception, do they have enough food? That's a full sheet of brood, but not the best. It don't look like the best pattern, but there is a lot of pollen mixed in there. This side they're backfilling with nectar, so they do have some food.
They got more over here. He's not there yet though.